Hey everyone, today we are going to make my take on peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. First, we're going to add to a bowl 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 140 grams of maple syrup, 100 grams of coconut oil, and 100 grams of peanut butter. Then you're going to whisk together these ingredients very well. Also, don't forget to add the 1 teaspoon of salt like I did. To a second bowl, we're going to add 260 grams of flour along with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then you'll roughly need to chop 200 grams of dark or semi-sweet chocolate. You'll want to have some larger and smaller pieces mixed together. Then you're going to combine and mix together all of the ingredients well. I noticed this time the dough was a bit too wet, so I decided to add about another 20 grams of flour to the mixture. You'll want the dough to hold together just a little bit. Once you're done mixing, you're going to put the dough in the fridge overnight. In the morning, you'll want to preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit while you divide out the dough. Each ball of dough should weigh about 55 grams. If you have kids, this is probably a good time to invite them to help you roll out the cookies. Now you're going to want to bake your cookies for around 18 minutes. When you take them out of the oven, the chocolate will be quite hot, so let them cool down for about 10 minutes before you bite into them.